This is London with Bitcoin Spike VIP Trader.com. Going to talk about Bitcoin today, FTX Binance situation. We're going to cover all the details. Huge news for our VIP. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Let me get into the charts real quickly, letting you know we hit our specific green line buy indicator on the daily. Boom! Look at this, guys. Beautiful profit thus far, 6%. This is our proprietary, custom-coded indicator, number one in the market, as is this trade station. Guys, we bought this with trading and VIP in mind. We've got everything from the Bollinger Bands, the MACD. Guys, this is a RSI feature. If we expand it out into 8 wide, I've moved that over here. General framework here. I want to talk about where we're at. Now, what happened with FTX and Binance? You know, guys, it's been a little bit of a crazy 48 hours. I want to talk about the rescue plan with Binance. You understand this. And guys, this is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. But pay attention to this. We weren't expecting necessarily this bankruptcy to come into the picture with FTX. All right. Now, what happened in terms of the shortfalls of FTX? You understand that CZ of Binance did officially back out of the rescue plan for FTX, a major crypto exchange. JP Morgan, per Bloomberg, and these are all Bloomberg notifications here, JP Morgan is projecting down to a $13,000 price level. Now, I want to remind you of one thing. First of all, VIP, we are trading 6,414%. Guys, that would be yours truly right here. Nice trade, 6,414%. If you don't know how to trade leverage, or if you only know how to trade spot and you're comfortable with spot, I'm going to encourage you to join our group if you want to beat the market. I'm going to tell you, the only requirement is that you want to beat the market. Former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We have the number one trade team. And I just want to remind you guys, these types of returns are not easy to come by. The VIP know I've been working on that trade for a long time. I'm excited to share that with VIP and looking at the trades for the VIP. Let's go over some of the details today. We didn't back down one bit. Take a look in the back. We had pattern after pattern after pattern. I was telling the VIP, yes, bring it on. You guys know that. Who brought it on? Let's take a look at this. Victor, look at this, 195% on longs amidst the price action to the downside. 2 separate trades. Look at that, almost 400%. Extremely important, Victor, to see you battling through like that amidst the downward price action. Big pat on the back, Victor. That's totally VIP. Now, let's also take a look at what we were doing in the back. For instance, me bringing up the descending triangulation, just so that you know, how does the number one trade group work? Bringing up the descending triangulation, okay? Taking a look at and pointing out, looking at this guy's 58 to 61% throwback or a pullback. And then what happened? Just to show you, how are we booking trades? What do you see? Me pointing out the probability over 50% for the pullback, then bam, 1% move to the upside. Beautifully well done. I could go through almost every move in the market so that you understand almost every move in the market we covered in the back today. I love doing it, guys. It is VIP, number one trade group. Join today if you want to beat the market. That's the only requirement. We focus on New York Institute of Finance, etc. Look at the trades. Venus, we get to go over this. Very exciting. We love the volatility. 327%. Nicely done, Venus. 200%. Another trade. That's over 500. 600. This is going to be 134. 600, 700, 108%. And Venus, look at this. Look at this, guys. Saying she thinks she hit a dozen trades since 4 a.m. her time. Venus, beautifully well done. She says, thank you, London, for all the TA posted here and for Fire and Ice. You got it right. I can tell who is trading Fire and Ice. And Venus, I'm so excited to be building with you in 2022 and beyond. I want to invite all of you guys to join, of course. I'll go through the details in terms of Venus is currently trading on BTCC. You understand, BTCC is a phenomenal exchange. I want to walk you through that just a moment here. I have something important technically to share with you guys here in a second, and really about our website as well. As we look at the website that's being built, I have an announcement for the VIP. I need you, since we are developing, okay, since we're developing, let's go back over to the main control station. I want to show you something really quickly. How do the VIP work? How do pro traders work? I'm gonna tell you how the VIP work. We want to beat the pro traders, okay? We've had pro traders, et cetera, et cetera. I've hired the best out of New York, bottom line, to run things for me in the past. So literally the number one. So in terms of how things work, we need to be competitive with the very best in the market, bottom line. You see all these screens, you might think, oh, it's overkill. And it's not overkill, guys. I see everything here. I see everything. period. So that's what we want to frame into in terms of how you're building your own setup. Looking at the control, let's say the top screen of the control center. Looking at the expansion, how do we identify this? We first of all identify the pattern, then we put it into a framework. Let's take a look at this. We put it into an identifiable pattern framework, right, of our specific pattern index. This is all going to be part of and is a part of VIPtrader.com. It is incoming. We're working with the Bybit development team. What I need you guys, before I forget, what I need you guys to do, since we do have chat rooms, okay, we have chat rooms that are being built right now. I need you as VIP to go in the back. Please listen, then I'll go through that pattern detail. I need you to do one thing for me. Go into the back of the Twitter room for me, guys. And what I need you to do, since we are building this website. It's going to rock and roll, guys. You're going to have your pattern identifications here. And when you click on these patterns, I want to let you know if it's an ascending triangulation. It's going to provide you, essentially it's going to provide you the essentials, but the chat rooms are what I want to go over right now. And it's going to ask me, I think, to log in. We'll go back to the other screen. But what I need from you guys, from VIP, guys, sorry for derailing it all. I need you to go into the chat rooms as VIP and send me your favorite GIF, okay? Your favorite GIF imagery. Post it into the chat room so that I can see exactly what you would like me to include into the VIPtrader.com. We get to specify our GIFs, we get to build our own library. So that's a formal request from me, guys, to you guys, to VIP. Go in the back room where you guys see our trades and everything else. Go in the back rooms and let me know which GIFs you would like, okay? That's very important. But just see the login feature here. I'll try and log in, and yeah, we'll see essentially the visual pattern index, for instance, and the chat rooms will be back there. But if we were to click on, let's say, if we were to click on a pattern here, let's say a diamond reversal. What we do as VIP is we bring up the pattern and then we look at the probabilities. Break out to the upside, break down. You guys got it to 70, 74, 26. On a diamond bottom, right? So we will do that for every pattern in play. Not only will we look at the directional probability, guys, it's huge because most people want to ask, is it going up or is it going down? We want to know what's the percentage probability of it going up, percentage probability of it going down, percentage probability of a throwback, right? Or a pullback to prior resistance or support. We have to know those details. So as we're looking at the pattern in play right now, this half diamond formation, and huge shout out, guys, on Fire and Ice, our green buy line. Guys, is the best indicator in the market. I'm telling you guys, I built it. I know this, guys. I've looked at all of them. I'm telling you guys, I've looked at all of them. It's the best indicator in the market. So in terms of this pickup line, I gave that to the VIP earlier. Bitcoin rebounding about 3.42% just since the rollover of the new day. That is a beautiful trade. It's a beautiful trade. Excited to bring that to the VIP. Now, in terms of our measurements, I want to also, let's talk about this. In terms of the exact measurements, okay, percent reaching half the height, okay, 76% to 81%, percentage reaching the full height. What does this mean? If you're looking at a 63% of the patterns, look at this, 63% of the patterns do what? They reach a full height target on a breakdown, okay? So that first would be the half height target, right? The percentage meaning half the height target, then the percentage meaning the full height target. You guys got that? So when we apply that to our specific charts, we're actually apprised of the percentage probability. 81%, look at this, guys, 81% reaching half height target to the downside. 81%, not bad. That's 19% don't make it, just so that you know, 19% don't make it. So looking at the full height target, this is how we trade, guys. We affiliate or we associate with that probability. 63% are gonna reach that full height target. Hugely important. And I just want to shout out to the VIP. It was an extremely, extremely successful trade day. I have to tell you guys that Fire and Ice was firing on all cylinders. You know that. It was just incredible because we didn't have a lot of just complete down force guys in the market. We had just nice 5 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 second was on. But I would just want to encourage you guys just to not get overly confident on those lower time frames. I want to invite you all to join VIP right here, youtube.com. You'll see this link here, or just hit join on the YouTube main page. This BTCC link, I want to shout out to Venus again and remind you all that really BTCC is the best exchange that I can recommend that you guys go with. I'm very particular about my exchanges. I think Venus will definitely vouch. Guys, she's trading very well on BTCC, on any exchange she will. She's an excellent trader. I want to encourage you all to not only join, but to, and guys, I literally invite you to join and register with BTCC. Why is that important? Because if there's an issue, and also up front, I can go to bat for you with BTCC. If there's any issue that pops up, I'm happy to interface with them as I have for other traders and get anything worked out, any problems, etc. And it's a pleasure for me to do, guys, VIP. Now, we are working with guys on cameras, right? We're working on this type of an issue. We're working on the details, the computer setups, everything. It's kind of a mess getting together the HQ for you guys, for VIP Trader, but we're excited about the possibilities and excited about particularly this indicator. Guys, it is doing well. If you're not plugged into VIP yet, just want to show you guys, that's a move. Bam. To the upside. Congratulations to the VIP. This is London with Bitcoin Spike at VIPTrader.com. Guys, let's go get them. Let's trade. Guys, let's do it. This is a good market to be in, particularly, and we'll cover this very quickly. That was the one thing I wanted to cover. In terms of that pattern expansion there, we would simply bring this pattern expansion up again, like we just covered over there, but we would look at that pattern expansion. We would call this a bell formation. 72% move to the upside. 72% of the time it's going to move to the upside. And the question then would be, well, how far? That's where we go to the bottom of the screen, guys. That's where we go to that upward breakout. When we go to the pattern top, we go to the percentage reaching half the height of the target, the 83, the 65%, right? So as we look at these, very important that you stay well structured within the confines of your, I'm going to say within the confines of your probabilities. Never lose the edge. This is London, guys. This is the second take I had to redo because we had a little bit of a glitch on the first one. So this is London with Bitcoin Spike, VIPTrader.com. Way to trade, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourselves. And we're heading into the weekend. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.